Hi everyone, this is Securemme 3+3 with the 6 levers with such a key near after the tip. This is because the guides are pressed into the leg's body. Now we are not going to open it because this is a peculiar process since it has false grooves, traps. It can be opened with both a tensioner and a hook. You can use also the magic key impressioning tool. For now, I'll just talk about these guides. Some ask the cutter to cut these inner guides so that the impressioning tool can be inserted. There is no need for a cutter because our tool is very strong and you can cut these guides with it. I'm talking about our impressioning tool. It fits very tightly. With the foot, you can just push it in like this, and with such movements, with a swing, these guides are cutting off. Here I already cut it. You can turn it over like this also with the other side to cut everything off well, all the leftovers. And after such manipulations, you can start working with this tool as a magic key impressioning tool. Well, opening the lock with straps in a clean way with impression will not be easy, so you will either have to play with the hook, grope for squeeze, or in another way. So this video about that a cutter is not needed for this lock, since its guides are cut off by the impression itself.